Alright, what's up? I'm about to show you how to make this soap right quick. As you can see, with some of the gear that I need to have, I got the safety goggles, I got the mask, and we got right here. I don't know if you can see that. We got the water, and we got the lye. I don't know if you can see that in there. We got the lye, and I'm about to show you how to mix it up. All right. Now, what you want to do is you want to take your time pouring the lye, and I will have the measurements in place for you. But you just want to take your time to pour it out real slow. Get that in there. Take your time. It's real slow. Because pouring it in there too fast, you might have a serious chemical reaction. There's been some cases that it has exploded. So you just take your time and let it trickle out real slow. And what you want to do is just slowly stir it. Just take your time stirring it. It's going to take a little while. Definitely make sure you got your mask on. This stuff is very caustic. But the key is to just keep stirring real slow. And I like to go back and forth instead of a circle. I just go back and forth just like this and just take my time. And as I mentioned before, the key is to do this until the water becomes clear. Just do this so you can see the whole process. If you get bored, you can just fast forward this part. That's just basically it. And as I mentioned before, I will put the amount of water and the amount of lye. You should be able to see that pop up on the video at some point. You can get in here and you can see it kind of clearing up. But it's still not clear enough yet. This stuff gets hot, man. It gets really, really hot. Let me see if I got this thing up. You can see now it's getting nice and clear. Oh, and also something that I didn't mention to begin with, you want to do this in a well-ventilated area. And obviously I came out here, outside. That's a detail that I should have led with. As you can see that the water's clearing up, nice and clear. Alright, here's the next process to where I mixed in the lye with the coconut oil. And over here I got my soap molds. I didn't film the whole process because I just didn't want to bore you with, watching oil melt and, you know what I'm saying, me standing here working with this thing right here. You know what I'm saying? So, but I'm at the point right now where I need to mix my essential oils. As you can see here, it's a little, let's see, get this down here. This phone's a little smaller. I had to use my other one that's got more video space on it. So I'm hoping that you can see this. Alright, don't fall. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. See a little better there. All right, and got my essential oils. It's lavender. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. And when it comes to lavender, I particularly like Laguna Moon. Put a few squirts of this in there. Now with the recipe, I will give you the measured amount, but me, you know what I'm saying, I've been doing this for a while, so I kind of do my own thing. This is lemon. The most important ingredients, eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is anti-everything, antimicrobial, antifungal, you name it. Viral, the list goes on and on. Same thing with tea tree. This thing kills a lot of germs and funguses. So I'm a lot more liberal with these, so I can really get the clean the power. Because I mean, like eucalyptus and tea tree, they like fight odor. I mean, it's really amazing essential oils. And then I got some frankincense. Frankincense is really good for your skin. Same with lavender. Good for your skin. And this is some of the stuff that I use for my personal use. So, all right, I'm gonna get these mixed up in here. It's kind of smoked up. I apologize about the video quality. The phone that I like normally use, I gotta do some deleting. Cause I also make videos on a website called Black Junction. It's like a YouTube for like black people. I'm just absent-minded sometimes, and I don't be, you know, thinking. So that's my fault. My apologies. And Kamusta Kai in Tagalog, not beside. Good mix up in there. I take my cake thingy, I don't know what you call it. Get all this excess up off of here as best you can. But if you can see here, it's just basically like some thick cake batter or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Like and I just take this, slap this inside the mold. Now, this is not gonna turn out to be the prettiest looking soap because I'm not making this for anybody, you know what I'm saying? This is just my own personal use, and I'll show you how I do that. I have other things that I do for different people, but those are trade secrets, and you know what I'm saying? I can't let you up in the biz like that. So, yeah. I ain't hard to please, so I just put it up in here any kind of way. Yeah, it's basically what it is. I really like doing this. I never thought I'd ever be making soap. It's kind of a trick. The batches that I usually make, it'll make about 18 bars. This is a little bit smaller. there's all different kind of molds, which you probably already figured. You know, they got all kind of stuff with razzle dazzle on it. They got, you know, dolphins and, you know, stars, strawberries, all kind of unicorns and all that pretty stuff. But I'm just a boring old dude. And I just want to bar soap so I can wash my hands. Process is pretty easy. It's a little sketchy dealing with that lye stuff at first, but you said that you made soap before, so you already know it. There ain't nothing to it. This last, I'm gonna make a complete bar of that. Alright, that's basically it. There's a lot of people that say that you have to let this sit for like a month or like 6 weeks or like whatever, but as soon as it hardens, it's good to use because the saponification process is complete now, and once it hardens you can use it. So the main key, well, like selling soaps, the main reason that people let it sit for such a long time, for like 30 days or like 6 weeks, is because the soap gets harder, which makes it last longer. But you know what I'm saying, you can bypass that by using stearic acid. I don't do that, you know what I'm saying, because I prefer to stay as natural as possible, you know what I'm saying. Essential oils, coconut oil, you know what I mean, because like once the saponification takes process, the lye is gone, you know what I'm saying. So it's basically an all natural soap, and I prefer to do that, you know what I'm saying, because it's a lot better for my body, you know what I mean. So anyways, here's the soap video. Sorry about the quality. If it's not good enough, just let me know and I will make another video for you, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, bye Jenny.